Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make good thumbnails for YouTube videos. So I'm going to be making an arms video. So what you're going to have to do to make a thumbnail is first you're going to have to go to the App Store and you're going to have to get this app called Thumbnail Maker. And I'm going to pull it up. So channel, you can make your channel banner and this, and you can also make your thumbnail, and it's going to be a little YouTube sign with the settings thing. So then we'll open this, and so you can choose your background, and they have all these, but then you can use your camera. So I'm making an arms video, right? So I'm gonna use stuff from my camera. So I'm gonna use the park thing as my thumbnail background, and then now we can add other things or photos on top of it, like this. I want Kid Cobra jumping in the middle of this. You got Kid Cobra jumping in the middle of this, and then we can put Kid Cobra OP or whatever. So yeah, so now we can put text, and it'll say whatever. I tend to use this font, Arms Episode 1, and then we can go pick this again, and then you have to go back to here, then Kid, oops, it's way too far out, Kid Cobra, I spelled that completely wrong, but is overpowered. So yeah, so I'm gonna make this actually as my thumbnail for later on, so I'm gonna be using this. So yeah, I'm gonna pick that and we make it smaller. And then we can also change the color of our text as usual. So colors, I'm gonna make my own color, whatever here, right there. Oops, no. This, yeah, that's good. So now we have this pretty decent thumbnail right here. And so yeah, and so this is really how you make thumbnails. You have to get the actual, so if I wanted to, I can add this also. You have to save the photos to it, and then you have to also then you have to go into here, and they'll give you a little tutorial how to use this. If you don't need it, then you can skip it. So yeah, this is a really good way. You can share this, your thumbnails, whatever, but it'll save it to your library. And so what you have to do to get it, get the actual. So let's go to the Safari, and I wanted the arms logo, so I went here, saved this to my pictures, and so let's say that I want whatever, Mario, and then I can save that to my pictures, and then we can use this as a thumbnail, and we'll put text around it and more items in the thumbnail, and it's really just not hard at all to do. So yeah, so let's go over the steps again. First one, Thumbnail Maker, you have to get this app. Second step is you have to save the stuff to your camera, over here and stuff. Third step is you go to your photos, make sure that everything you wanted is there. Oops. So if this happens, so it's gonna say with made with Thumbnail Maker, but that's really honestly fine. To me it is. So I'm gonna redo that because this not work out. So yeah, so let's say that this we're gonna actually, so yeah, so we have to restart this. It's easy. It doesn't take really long time to make these thumbnails. It's easily done. Oh yeah, this happens. No, I probably cannot. How do you switch items? No, I'm not installing that game. Add pictures, and then go to whatever pictures that I wanted. Arms down here, and then add picture again, and then we can get Kid Cobra going up here, whatever. You know, some nice action shot. And then over here, I'm going to change it this time, and I'm not going to use Kid Cobra or whatever his name is. So we're going to, now we're going to go to text, and we're going to put Kid Cobra is overpowered. Arms episode 1. And then we can change the font. And then we're done. So this is like the thumbnail. Okay, so when this happens, what I just say is that you press this, and that should make it better. Like, it won't move anymore. So we have to crop this, and so like we can move this here. And if I say I wanted to move this down, we can move it down here. So yeah, so that's pretty simple. Like, we have a good thumbnail here, and I'm just gonna change the color. So again, I'm actually gonna be uploading a video of the Grand Prix with using Kid Cobra. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was just a tutorial video, and I think I'll see you later. Have a good day. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe, share the video around, turn on post notifications. Nobody does, but I ask you to anyway. And I'll see you later. Goodbye.